All right, this arrived yesterday. It's the HTP Freedom Pulse 250, made in Italy. I ordered it with this hand slider thing that's supposed to work in MIG mode. And this is key if you're climbing around in the bottom of a car. You'll see it only has a small range of motion. It's just like this. I haven't even hooked it up to the torch. I haven't hooked any gas up yet, but it's really curious how this thing worked. And so you'll see I can dial it down. 24 is the minimum. This is in 2T Synergic mode. And then, you know, I just simply move my, move my hand, and you can see it's changing the metal thickness. And what's interesting about this is if I go up to the maximum and then I grab this dial, you know, I can turn it down to 16 gauge. And now when I adjust it, it goes to 24 and maximum is 16. So the point is that you adjust the maximum that you want to see, and then the hand controller will adjust within that range, which I think is a pretty good idea. Yeah, so I haven't even tried welding with it yet. I was just really concerned that if the hand controller would do the thing I want it to, and it looks like it does. And I also have a foot pedal, and I confirmed that the foot pedal also, it works exactly the same as the hand controller in MIG mode. So yeah, can't wait.